Go Flash. Hello, dear. How are you? Good. Sorry. Hold on. So, like one thing that I'm not able to get out of this site now is I can't see how many participants there are as easily. Anyway, I just wrote you hello. Can you see that? Okay, great. All right, so we're good to go. And it's like I've only used it like 3, 4 times, so I haven't like I'm not as familiar. If you can figure out where to find colors and such, help me. Like, but I don't know. I'll ask the people who fixed it. I've got all of your note sheets from your text like a few days ago. So, is there anything else new? Okay. And I also like about 30 minutes ago like scanned through them to see your work and how you've done on it and like overall pretty good. Um, and like love like if we like really like don't make careless mistakes and focus, this one is an easy layup, which is like um, you know after this session I'll obviously as per usual I'll prepare you well and you'll do your part too, I'm sure. And like so based on our prep today, if you execute you should be able to get 100, like not even just an A. So um, yeah. Anyway, the semester has ended, or like this last semester. When did it end, and what kind of grade did you get? Okay. What do we anticipate that you get? Okay. Okay. Good. Like I mean, that's what I would want. Okay. All right. So real quick, like I'm looking at the first worksheet that you texted me on this current topic, and so it's like the chart with product property, quotient property, and power property. So those are the three properties. So um, the product property of logs is like, first of all, let me ask this: if I write log and there's no base in it, what log is it? So if I write like log 100, what log am I talking about? Exactly. And what would log of 100 and therefore log base 10 of 100 be? Uh huh. That's right. So what is log base 10 of 100? Exactly, because the question would be like 10 to the what power is equal to 100, and that'd be 2. Good. So I just wanted to like get this out the way. But otherwise, the log property is like the log properties are pretty straightforward. Like one of them says log any base, including 10, base a of x times y is equal to what? Say that again. I used x and y. I wrote on the board. Hmm. It's okay. It's okay. Look at the board. So log base a of x times y equals. Mm-hmm. What this is the product rule, dear. So the product rule is like if you have a product of logs, so like you have log base a of x times y, it turns into a sum. So product and sum go together. So log base a of x plus log base a of y. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, for now, just look at the board. You don't have to look at your worksheet. And also, technically, it's okay. There's like one or two questions. As I said, like I scanned through, but it was a more thorough work than just scanning through. So there's a place where I think like your teacher like made. When we get to it, I'll tell you a careless mistake because technically all logs are supposed to come with an absolute value because like log log of like say you know hold on my like writing pad froze for whatever reason. I think I have too many things on my computer. Okay, wait, what? Come on. Um, so are you kidding me? I'm having to write with my mouse. So like it's okay. Log base 3 of say -9 doesn't make sense. First of all, what's log base 3 of 9? That's right. That's right. But if it was log base 3 of -9, that doesn't make sense because, well, the question we'd be asking is 3 to the what power is equal to -9, and there is no power you can raise 3 to get -9. So the point I'm making abundantly clear is that logs are technically supposed to come with an absolute value. So log of anything needs to be an absolute value because again, log of a negative number doesn't make sense. It doesn't matter what the base is. Okay, this is strange. Okay, sorry, 1 second. My writing pad, for whatever reason, just stopped writing. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I almost dropped it too. How's your day? By the way, I didn't ask. Okay. Okay. Just fine. Okay. That's sometimes just good. Good enough, right? Okay. Anyway, all right. Looks like I'll have to write with my mouse. Whatever. Okay, we'll live. I was joking and said like relatively recently, like even love hates on me. No, like my writing pad is so hating. Like I was no really like I don't know if you remember like the old version of this, like the right your handwriting. I mean, you have a beautiful handwriting. We've talked about this before, and so do I. At the risk of blowing my own horn, and like it doesn't, it used to not come out well, and today it comes out well. And for once, the writing pad stops. Okay, it's okay. Oh, sorry. So we just wrote down the product property. So now let's write the quotient property. So quotient. And quotient obviously is another word for division. And so what can you state the quotient property uh, for say log base a of x divided by y? Again, technically we're supposed to have absolute values. But what's log base a of x divided by y? Exactly. So good job. Log base a of x, um, and then minus log base a of y. That's right. Um, okay, cool. And finally, the power property. So that's uh, power property. Sorry. That's log base a of x to the power b is equal to what? Exactly. Good job. B times log base a of x. Um, good. Okay, exactly. Now, so when you're moving from this direction to this direction, it's called expanding. And when you're moving in the opposite direction, it's called condensing. And there are places where, you're expanding and condensing, as we will see to come a little bit later. Okay. Um, all right. So, other than that, love, can I um, hang up and call you back in like 5 minutes fixing this? I'm annoyed that it's not writing. Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. So sweet. I am so annoyed. Why the fuck is it not writing?